Welcome back to UK Knowledge Guru. In this video, I will guide you how to apply worker sponsor premium customer service. Many applicant sponsor license owners wanted to apply for a premium worker sponsor customer services because they face delay, and when they face delay, they don't get this COS on time, and that's where the problem comes in. So from the license summary, application and services screen, apply for a worker sponsor premium customer service. So you will have this option. You go, I'll show you the next screen. This is how your screen will show exactly. Worker sponsor premium customer service introduction. How to apply worker premium customer service. It will give you all the guidance over here. It will show you the fees in the end, and then you will click next. Let me show you the fees. To know the fees, we'll go on gov.uk website. Under the sponsorship, I'll put this link in the description as well, so you know. This is where all the fees will show up. So we'll go through the fees. It's not far too many, it's only few, so we'll discuss each of them. So premium sponsor service, 12 months. Worker sponsor and temporary worker large sponsor is £25,000. Fees has recently changed, so that's what they have updated over here. So if any changes they have showed, they will show the change over here. But since they haven't changed anything for the sponsor license, it's the same. So 25,000 is the fees for the large sponsor. Small sponsors premium fees is £8,000. Premium sponsor service for student sponsors is £8,000. Priority service for processing sponsor license application is £500. Worker sponsor license large sponsor is £1,476. Small sponsor is £536. Usually this is the average fees which people have to pay. So when you apply for a sponsor license, this is the fees. But when you apply for priority service, £8,000. So 536 plus £8,000 if you're looking for premium, as we are discussing in this video. So these are the other fees which they have showed, like you can sponsorship action plan. When you need this, if your sponsor license is rejected, or not rejected, actually if it's downgraded, if they have done the audit and you failed the audit and there's a suspension and they have changed your category from level A to level B, then that's you have to pay for the action plan. Certificate of sponsorship COS is £239. This is very common question. Everyone asks, what's the COS fees for skilled worker? So this is £239. You need to make sure immigration skill charge is different. Certificate of sponsorship fees is different. You can also watch this video in which I have discussed the total cost of sponsor license. I have discussed every single fees, including immigration skill charge, skilled worker visa, all the fees in this video. Do watch this video. If you are applying for the certificate of sponsorship for a sports person is £239, for students is £25. So these are the fees which they have showed. So you will come on this page where you will click next, and then that's how you will pay worker sponsor premium fees. It will give you next option where it will ask you for the declaration. I hereby declare that the information given is the best to my knowledge, date, name, position on the organization, and then you will click next. As soon you will click next, it will give you the premium customer service payment option where you have to pay. So for example, if you are from the large employer, you will pay £25,000 and you will click OK. You won't believe loads of employers pay this. So for example, NHS, Army, or you have Babcock, all these big companies, they all pay for this fees. Next, it will show you like this: premium customer service submission confirmation, sponsor name, application reference, customer level, so worker sponsor premium, fees paid, the person who has done it, and submission sheet. After that, it will give you premium customer service optional renewal confirmation. So if you have the renewal, or if you have this, it will show up like this. Premium service contact details. When you will click on this, then you will have the special people who will look after your application, and it will show like this. You do not currently hold premium customer service. If you wish to apply premium customer service, apply. So that's how you apply, like we have just done it. But once it's been granted and it's been approved, then you will have the option for that. You can also do apply for basic compliance assessment. This is where you will click for it. When you will click on basic compliance assessment application introduction, it will give you the option for fees, 536. So every time if you do not want to apply for basic compliance assessment, then in that case you must decline to continue and complete the declaration and surrender. So either option is decline or next. If you go for it, if you click next, then this declaration will show up and you will click continue. Again, you will pay the fees for that. And this is for the basic compliance assessment application payment. And this is how it will show up, and it will give you the option for submission sheet. Decline to apply for basic compliance declaration sheet. This is how it will show up again. It will ask you that you declining it, and again next, but it won't give you the option for payment, and you will click confirm. Submission sheet, the last page. At the end, when you will decline it, basic compliance assessment, decline to apply confirmation, it will give you all the details that you have declined it, the person who declined it, why they have declined it. They don't ask that, but if you wanted to apply for the email, or you wanted to do that, you can send it to this email address. Now, action plan. Action plan is the one which I was discussing. If your rating has been downgraded, then you will have to fill the action plan. You have to pay £1,476 fees for it, and you pay fees. This is how it will show up, the payment reference number and all that. Action plan detail, there are no outstanding action plan payment. So once you have paid, it will show up that there is nothing, and the one which you have completed action plan payment, it will come up over here. So make sure your sponsor license don't get downgraded. Otherwise, you will have this plan and you have to do the declaration, confirm, and there are no outstanding, and you will click back. So this is how you do it. Application and renewals tracking. So renewals, they have changed it. So now everyone will by default get 10 years sponsored license. So you don't usually apply for renewals because it's all 10 years. They have recently changed it.